This is just going to be a quick double mail call video from Otter Arms and Southpaw Pete. Otter Arms sent me a Paclock 98 Pro, this ASA filing cabinet lock to try out and send back to him. And he sent me Right Turn Clyde by J. Gabriel, which comes in its own little box. And then Southpaw Pete sent me Mickey Finn by Tinny, this little key-shaped folding knife, a couple of metal zip ties to make shims or something with, and these little bump key things. And Otter Arms also did send some brass rods so I could practice making pins. So I just wanted to do a quick mail call video and say thank you guys